I'm Anil Kumar sharing with you test problem of my student. Subject is MHF 4U, Chapter 4, Polynomial Equations and Inequalities. Now we'll discuss 2b, which is an inequality in fractions. Here is the question. Question 2b. Solve the following inequality algebraically. X minus 4 divided by 5 is greater than or equals to 2x plus 3 divided by 2. Now whenever you have an inequality of this form, you have in denominator numbers, right? No variable in the denominator. In such case, we'll prefer to cross multiply. Well, it is same as taking a common multiple, which is 10. Lowest common denominator is 10. As some people may say, we say LCD is 10. You could also multiply by 10 on both sides and get the same result, right? So I prefer to call it cross multiply. So we'll multiply x minus 4 by 2 and 2x plus 3 by 5. In that way, we'll get rid of this fraction. So we have 2 times x minus 4 is greater than or equals to 5 times 2x plus 3. Now we can apply distributive property, right? Expand it. So we have 2x minus 8 is greater than 5 times 2 is 10x plus 15. Remember, you have to multiply with both the terms, okay? So don't do the mistake of multiplying only with the first term, which at times I've seen in the test papers. Now you can bring the variables together and the constants together. So I'll do minus 10x both sides. So we get 2x minus 10x, and I'll add 8 on both sides. So when you add 8, you get 8 plus 15, correct? So at this stage, what we have done really is that from both sides, we have done minus of 10x, and we have added 8 on both sides. So that's what we get. Now you can combine the like terms. You get minus 8x is greater than 8 plus 5 is 13, so we get 23. At this stage, we should divide by minus 8. So when we divide by minus 8, right? Now that is a negative number. Remember, whenever you divide by a negative number or multiply by a negative number, so sign changes. That is kind of important. If you don't do that, you get a wrong answer, right? So we get 23 divided by minus 8. Do you understand? So that is your answer, correct? So at times you can use your calculator and write down the answer in decimal form also. But I prefer to put it in fractions itself, right? So when we simplified in this stage, we noticed that on the left side we had negative number. So when you divide by a negative number, the sign changes, right? So note that change. This is what I need you to note. Sign changes. When you multiply or divide by negative number. Okay, let me write number like this, correct? So that is the solution, right? You can represent the solution on a number line. Let's say this is your number line. Then this is a negative number. So the solution is on the left side, right? So x is less than, right? So it is 23 over 8 minus, right? So that is the answer. We can write down answer as x is less than minus 23 over 8. So that is how we are going to solve it. I hope it's absolutely clear. Thank you.